Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make mixed vegetables in the oven using an easy method. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature is key for achieving perfectly tender crisp vegetables. Next, gather about 2 pounds of your favorite mixed vegetables, like broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. Chop them into roughly 1-inch pieces to ensure even cooking. Finally, spread them out on a large baking sheet in a single layer, giving them plenty of space. Now, let's get those veggies seasoned for maximum flavor. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil evenly over your chopped vegetables. This helps them crisp up beautifully and allows the seasonings to adhere. Next, sprinkle them generously with about 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For an extra flavor boost, consider adding a pinch of dried thyme or a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Toss everything together until each piece is lightly coated. It's time to get those vegetables roasting. Place your baking sheet into the preheated 400 degree Fahrenheit oven. Let them roast for about 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure to give them a good stir halfway through the cooking time to ensure even browning on all sides. You're looking for vegetables that are tender on the inside with beautifully caramelized, slightly crispy edges. The exact time might vary slightly depending on your oven and the type of vegetables you're using. Once your vegetables are perfectly roasted, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. They're best served immediately while still warm and crisp. You can garnish them with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a bright finish. These easy oven-roasted vegetables make a fantastic, healthy side dish for almost any meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.